Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your Asic Miner from home. So what do we have inside an Asic Miner? We basically have the hash boards, the control board and the fans, which are basically the most important parts which you should clean from time to time. Many people often ask me how often you should clean that machine, and well, this is totally up to you. I personally do it 1 to 2 times a year in order to keep the efficiency of that miner and also to have less problems, because once you have a serious problem with that machine, it basically needs to be sent back to a repair center, and this takes time and costs, of course. And in order to prevent that, I prefer to have a good maintenance of an ASIC. So where do we start? Basically, I often blow out a lot of dirt and dust of an ASIC miner with a compressor. It can be also done with a can of compressed air, or I'm sure there are also other alternatives to that. The main thing is that you shoot some air through these miners to get out the entire dirt and dust. And once you do that, you will see how much dirt actually comes out of that thing. So why don't we get started? Well, that was a bit disappointing, but in a good way, because I actually expected a huge cloud of dust coming out of these miners. But as you can see, nothing much came out. So it means that we really keep our miners in a good condition. So that was a quick part of cleaning the miner. If you really want to go into detail and keep your miner really clean, you should use 100% alcohol. Often it's called Isopropyl alcohol, which can be found in most of the hardware stores locally. And next to that cleaning process, I'm using a plastic box, and inside this box I'm putting all these parts of the miner, like the hash boards and the control boards, and I put it together like with the alcohol inside to clean it properly. And next to that I'm using some rubber gloves. And I'll also always have a towel on the side. Please just be careful when you clean the fans that you not use too much alcohol, because basically you don't want to destroy the bearing or the circulation of that fan, because otherwise it will not spin properly anymore. Yeah, let's get started. Yeah, I hope you have a better imagination now for the process of cleaning an ASIC miner. Please keep in mind that it's very important to let all the different parts of that ASIC miner dry. Once all the parts are dry, you can switch on the machine and start mining again. If you have any more questions or you would like to know something into more detail, please just let us know, and we are more than happy to help.